Hello students, today we are going to start with a new lesson from our English grammar book. Okay, this is the 10th topic and the name is describing words. So, do you know what are describing words? I will tell you what are these describing words. Here you can see describing words tell us something about persons, animals, birds, places or things. So, describing words are the words which tell us about persons, animals, birds, places or things. It means that the describing words give us information about all these persons, animals, birds, places or things. So also the describing words tell us about their color, number, shape, size and qualities. So, describing words are those words which give us information, which tell us about the various things, about their colors, about their number, about their shape, about their size and about their qualities. Suppose I will take an example. Okay, so suppose I take the example, the tree is tall. So what did I say? The tree is tall. Here I am speaking about the tree. And how is the tree? The tree is tall. So here the word tall tells us how the tree is. It means the word tall is describing or giving us information about the tree. So, the word tall is a describing word. Similarly, we will take one more example. I may say, I have a blue umbrella. So, what do I have? I have a blue umbrella. So, the word blue tells us about the color of that umbrella, isn't it? So, the word blue is a describing word. We have read it that the describing word tells about the color of the object. So, the word blue is telling us about the umbrella. And so, the word blue is a describing word. Now, let us move to some of the sentences that I have written on the board so that I can explain to you how to find out the describing words. The first sentence you can see, the boy is tall. How is the boy? The boy is tall. What do we come to know about the boy over here? We come to know that this boy is tall. It is telling about the quality of that boy. It's the height of that boy is described here with the help of the word tall. So the word tall is a describing word. Similarly, the second sentence. My shoes are yellow. So about what am I talking here? About my shoes. My shoes are yellow. So, what do you feel? Which word is describing or telling about the shoes? The word yellow. It is telling about the color of the shoes. So, the word yellow is a describing word. It is telling about the color of the shoes. The next sentence is, the cow is fat. So, in this sentence, it is talked about the cow. And how is the cow? The cow is fat. So, the word fat is describing, telling about the cow. And so, fat is a describing word. You can see here in these three sentences, I have underlined the describing words. The next is, Manu is a small monkey. So, what is Manu? Manu is a small monkey. So, Manu is a monkey. But how is it? Whether it is small or it is big? So, it is small. The word small tells us what type of monkey or what size is that of the monkey. The word small tells us the size of the monkey. So small is a describing word. The next is I have 3 cats. So in this sentence we are talking about the cats. And which word is giving us more information or telling us about the cats? The word 3. It is telling us about the number of cats. So you can see here, describing word tells us about the number as well. So the word 3 is a describing word because it is telling about the number of the cats. The next sentence is Rosie has a big ball. So Rosie has a big ball. Rosie is having a ball. But how is the ball? The ball is big. The size of the ball is told by the word big. The word big is describing the size of the ball. And so big is the describing word. The next and the last sentence. The crow is black. How is the crow? The crow is black. So the word black is describing the color of the crow. The word black is giving us information about the color of the crow, and so black is a describing word. So as I told you, describing word can give us information about the color of the object. It can tell us about the number, how many they are. It can also tell us about the shape. It is round shape, it is triangle shape, it is semicircle shape, it is square shape, any shape. Also it tells us about the size. Yes, small, big, it tells us about the size, and it tells us about the qualities. Whether it is beautiful, whether it is ugly. All these words, they tell us about the person, animal, bird, place or thing. So the word that describes the person, the animal, bird, place or any object is called as a describing word.